In today's lesson, we are going to do the subtraction of complex numbers. We are going to be using these two examples in this tutorial to show how we have to subtract complex numbers. So let us start with example number 1. Saka number 1 yatiudza kuti if z1 is equal to 8 plus 4i, saka 8 ndiyo the real part of our complex number, 4i is the imaginary part. Then tikaudzwa kuti z2 is equal to 7 plus 5i. 7 is the real part, 5i is the imaginary part. Chiri kudiwa pano it's z1 subtracting z2. So z1 minus z2 inge equal to 8 plus 4i minus 7 plus 5i. Saka tango substitute pana z1 taisa 8 plus 4i, pana z2 tikaisa 7 plus 5i. But it's also very important kunyora zvinhu izvi zviri muma brackets. It's very very important. So zvadai so manje, this is going to be equal to, we are going to remove brackets. Saka panapa it's 1 multiplying this bracket, kureva kuti rinongodzoka riri 8 plus 4i. Then panapa it's minus 1 times 7 the minus 7, and minus 1 times 5i the minus 5i. Then we collect like terms, 8 minus 7 plus 4i minus 5i, which then gives us the answer 8 minus 71, subtracting 4i minus 5i the minus I. Saka panapa ndanga ndatongo zviita kumberi nekuti 4i minus 5i, that's minus 1. That's minus I actually. So our final answer is 1 minus I. That is how we subtract complex numbers. Let us do our second example, which is example number 2. Saka number 2 yatiudza if z1 is equal to 4 plus I, z2 is equal to 3 minus 2i, z3 is equal to 2 plus 5i. How about z1 plus z2 minus z3? This is equal to, in brackets, chesa z1 4 plus I plus z2 3 minus 2i, then minus z3, which is 2 plus 5i, like that. Removing brackets, this is equal to 4 plus I, then plus 1 times this bracket, inongodzoka iri plus 3 minus 2i, minus 1 times 2 and minus 2, minus 1 times 5i and minus 5i. So kana zvadai so much, we can just collect like terms. This is equal to, saka chatanga ta collecta ma real numbers power ega. So it's 4 plus 3 minus 2. Then my imaginary numbers, plus I minus 2i minus 5i, like that. So this is equal to, what is 4 plus 3? 4, 5, 6, 7, then 7 minus 2, the 5. Then tikati I minus 2i, that's minus I minus 5i, that's minus 6i. That is going to be our final answer. Saka highlight iri panapa, especially for subtraction, make sure munoisa ma brackets, because mukasesa ma brackets, negative unoyu anenge asingacha affect the whole expression 2 plus 5i. Let me give you an example. Ngatiti taweka ino tisina kusa ma brackets, tongoti mangonyora makati 8 plus 4i, mamati minus 7, mamati plus 5i. Murukona mistake iripo, because minus akungo affecta chi 7, when in actual effect minus anfango ko affecta the whole bracket. Saka ma brackets kana chi deal na negative signs are very sacrosanct, very important. So this is our tutorial on the subtraction of complex numbers. If you want extra lessons, or you want to talk to us, you can WhatsApp us on this particular number. If you are in Zimbabwe, the number is simply going to be 071 521 3310. Maita basa, muve nezuva rakanaka.